So we're replacing the deadbolt on this door. The key was a little bit bent, and he wants a thumb turn instead of just a keyed keyway. Issue is this is broken. They had an issue with it, and it actually fell apart from what they say. That it broke upon use, and so we're going to go ahead and slap a new deadbolt onto this one as well. All right, and this is the new deadbolt, new working key. Okay, so we added a much larger strike plate, and we adjusted the alignment of it. So now everything lines up, and we're secured.